Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I explained the importance of exfoliating your skin, and I also mentioned that one of the most common ways people exfoliate their skin is by using body scrubs. So today I'll be doing a tutorial, more like a DIY video, on how to make your own body scrub in the comfort of your home using ingredients you can find in your kitchen. So the first ingredient today will be rubbing alcohol, then brown sugar, which is our main exfoliant, lemon juice, which serves as a skin brightener, and honey, which is a humectant. This is my measuring cup and spoon. This is my plate for mixing my scrub, and this is the medical examination glove. The purpose of wearing this is to prevent bacteria from transferring from my hand to my product. You should learn to protect your hands with a medical examination glove while making products like this. You can get a medical examination glove from any pharmacy close to you. So that's about it. So the first step is to disinfect or disinfect your work environment by spraying the rubbing alcohol. I have already done this before, but I will do it again so you guys can have a better understanding. Rubbing alcohol is meant to destroy bacteria that might be on our working tools. I will just go ahead and use a tissue after after spraying to wipe off. Please do not skip this stage. It's very important that your work station is very clean and germ free. So for our brightening body scrub, we will be needing a half cup of brown sugar. There is white sugar and there is brown sugar. I actually prefer brown sugar to white sugar because brown sugar is high in vitamin B, which is an antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. Brown sugar also has finer particles when compared to white sugar. If you have a sensitive skin, I would advise you use brown sugar because it is more suitable for people who have sensitive skin. So we'll be needing a half cup of brown sugar. So you just measure it in, because this brown sugar has been in here for quite a while, so it's kind of like stuck together. So I'm gonna cover this up and pour it into my plate for mixing. So our next ingredient is lemon juice. I couldn't lay my hands on fresh lemons, so I had to get this one. This is 100% lemon juice. It can suffice for the purpose of this product. So if you don't have lemon juice, fresh lemon, you can use this one. Like I said, lemon juice is a natural skin brightener. It helps to brighten the skin naturally. So we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Was 1 and 2. No, that's enough. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we're going to close this up. So our next ingredient is our next ingredient will be honey, and we'll be needing 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural antibacterial. It is great for for prevention of acne and also treatment of acne. Honey is full of antioxidants and it is extremely moisturizing and gives your skin a healthy and glowing skin. So our brightening body scrub is ready for use. As you can notice, this scrub is a bit runny. I made it this way because it makes it easy for me to apply on my skin while I'm in the shower. So but if you like your sticker, you can just add a little bit of sugar to it to get the consistency that you want. So I'll be turning this into a jar. Remember to always disinfect your jars to prevent germs and bacteria from getting into your product. So I'm going to spray in my alcohol, then wiping it off just like I did earlier in this video. So um I'll be turning my product, my body scrub, into this beautiful jar sitting pretty here. If you can't exhaust this in one use, you can simply store the remainder in the fridge for up to 1 week. I advise you scrub or you exfoliate, to be precise. You exfoliate your skin not more than 2 or 3 times a week. So if the scrub turns out to be too much while you make yours, you can just store the remainder in the fridge. So I'll be cleaning up my work environment because I really don't like my work environment messy. So I'll just be doing a brief cleanup, and here is a brightening body scrub. So basically this is a practical example of how you exfoliate your skin using a body scrub. You can choose to either use your hand or an exfoliating sponge, which is also the glove sponge. So I'm going to scrub for a couple of minutes, then wash this off. Then you see the after effect of the scrub on my skin. So this is what my skin looks like after scrubbing. After scrubbing, always ensure that you moisturize your skin. It is very important. If you exfoliate without moisturizing your skin is going to dry out. So please always moisturize after scrubbing. So this is a very easy scrub to make, and I'm sure you can do this in the comfort of your home. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to my channel. So thank you very much for watching. Until I see you next time. Bye bye.